guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. Prices, SKU, features, and launch dates would be also posted. So please make sure that you do a screenshot and check with your CAs for availability and pre-orders. So I'm inviting you guys to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! I'm very happy to share part 2 of PHARRELL's second runway collection launching April to May 2024. We'll also be including new women's bag launching April 2024 as well. Prices, SKU, launch dates, and features are all included. As our practice, kindly take a screenshot and check with your CAs for pre-orders and availability. Happy shopping! Alright, as promised, let us discuss first the new bags from PHARRELL's latest collection, Nano Steamer. So this collection, the PreFall 2024, would be launching April 25th. Nano Steamer is priced at $2,780 USD or 2350 euro. We have SKU here, so it comes with denim material and it comes with vachetta leather trims and leather straps as well. Then we have the Chest Messenger, price is 3,200 USD or 2,600 euro. The main material of this Damier denim 3D mini collection is denim in the Damier pattern, and we're also going to see that it has the Louis Vuitton logo in front. Vachetta leather trims, gold hardware with detachable shoulder strap. Then from the Scuba collection, still part of the PreFall 2024 collection by PHARRELL. First, we have the KEEPALL 50. Price is 4,700 USD or 3,800 euro. Main material is leather, as you can see here. It has the May pattern. It has the Louis Vuitton logo in front. It would come with leather trims, leather strap with leather bag tag as well. Then we have the Christopher, size MM. Price is 5,150 USD or 4,150 euro. Same material of leather with the Damier pattern, and it's very beautiful scuba yellow material with black leather trims, black leather detail, and it comes with very beautiful side pockets as well. Then, still part of the PreFall 2024, we had the KEEPALL 25. Price is 3,450 USD or 2,800 USD. We have SKU here. The main material of this one is raffia with vachetta leather, leather strap, gold hardware with bag tag with Louis Vuitton logo in front. Next, we have the Moncler Messenger PM. This is from the Surfing Monogram mini collection of the PreFall 2024. Main material is coated canvas with the Surfing Monogram print. Color is sand with vachetta leather trims, leather strap, gold hardware, and bag tag. And as you know, the Surfing Monogram comes in the blue colorway as well. And then we have the Passport cover. Price is 465 USD or 375 euro. We have SKU here. So we have a close-up here, guys, of what the Surfing Monogram looks like. So it comes with a full leather interior. So this is how it looks like. It looks like painted on the very beautiful monogram canvas. And then going back to the women's wear design. So first we have the Poette Tote enim. Price is 1,000 euro. This is from the Flight Mode collection. Guys, this is the drop 2. Material is a blend of cotton and linen with sheer resin coating, because if we are going to zoom in, it doesn't look like the regular monogram canvas. It looks like linen because we are going to see the strands of the fabric. As you can see here, the Passport cover, 450 USD or 365 euro. Comes with full leather interior. So how do you feel, guys, of the main material? So again, it looks like linen but it has a resin coating, so I'm pretty sure that it's a little bit thicker, just like the denim jacquard that launched previously. And then we have the Petite Valise. This one is launching April 26, 2024. The price of this one, 7,500 euro. We have SKU here. This is a hard-sided trunk top handle bag. Material is classic monogram canvas with reverse monogram with black leather trims, leather bag strap, and gold hardware. Then we have the camera box launching April 5th, 2024. Price is 9,500 euro. The main material is empreinte leather color noir. I love how the gold hardware stands out. As you can see, this is the close-up of the empreinte leather material. It comes with detachable leather strap. Next, we have the Pochette Métis East West. This is from the Rose Opal collection, which we have discussed previously. Please do check that vlog out. So this would be launching in US April 19th, worldwide May 3rd. Price is 2,980 USD or 2,600 euro. I feel that the Rose Opal collection would be very popular because how beautiful is this Rose Opal pink colorway. Then guys, OMG, the return of the discontinued toiletry pouch. So we have the Trio Posh Toilette. Price is 1,490 USD or 1,200 euro. We have SKU here. So this is sold like a kirigami pouch. It comes in size 15, 18, and 26. It cannot be purchased separately. You need to purchase them together. Then we have new permanent collection from the menswear department. So we have the Steamer wearable wallet launching May 2024. Price is 1,600 euros. So the main material is the classic monogram canvas with black leather trims, black leather strap, and matte black hardware. Guys, please take note, this wallet is a size of wallet on chain. Then we have the Avenue Sling Bag. Price is 2,100 euro. We have SKU here. Main material is the V-Eclipse monogram canvas with black leather trims. It comes with silver hardware, and it has a canvas strap that you could wear this as a sling bag across your chest. Then we have the very beautiful Sacpla 24H. Price is 3,300 euro. We have SKU. I'm glad that they are putting this on their permanent collection, and they're using the very beautiful Tyrolean leather. It comes with leather bag top handle, and I love that it comes with a longer shoulder strap, just like with the On The Go. Guys, I'm also putting these exotics. So these exotics are already available. Please check with your CA. So first we have the Petite Val. We have the Capucine Mini in this ostrich material. So we have the prices over here. And then we have the Capucine Mini. We have SKU. So guys, if you're familiar what is DP versus DF, please help us out. Kindly comment down below. I'm not really sure why they have different prices. And then we have the Sax City Steamer size PM. And then we have the Capucine Mini in this very beautiful pink colorway. We have the price over here. Then we have the City Steamer size PM. It comes with gold hardware. How beautiful is this light blue colorway? Then we have the Rose Devon size mini. This one I also love. We have the prices over here. And then we have the Capucine size mini in the croc leather finish, and just look at the LV logo. And then we have the size BB. Price is 27,500 euro. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed at this part of this episode, please do leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! So guys, among the many beautiful bags that we have discussed for today, do you have any personal favorite? Are you adding anything to your wish list? I would love to hear from you, so kindly comment down below. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!